1, go!
And on the Blue Alliance, we see all 3 of the robots trying to place the game pieces they had on board with them, and it looks like 2 of them make it to be scored in a node. On Red, meanwhile, they have scored 1 cone of their own on an upper node, and back on Blue, Berkelium makes it onto their charging station, getting it leveled just in the nick of time. And that is enough for the Blue Alliance to take the lead as we enter Teleop, but it is a narrow one, and Red Alliance is trying to make quick work of making that back up. And with the work of Crescent Wing Robotics, so far they have done so with that cone placed, a cube rather, in the upper node. However, back and forth, Blue Alliance has answered that with some more game pieces of their own. We see Robotic Eagles for the Blue Alliance over at their substation, fetching a cube and bringing it back over. And there are cubes for days over by that Blue Alliance side of the field. Many of them are scored already, enough for the Blue Alliance to earn 1 link, and they have just all the time in the world to push some more of those cubes into place. Red Alliance, however, has them outmatched when it comes to cones. They have 2 cones placed so far, and with that cube at an upper node from 9125, Red Alliance earns a link of their own, bringing them a little bit closer to the Blue Alliance's score. 5507 for Blue, they're swinging that cone into place, but it does not manage to get a hold of the pole. That means they're going to have to go back and trying to get another one. Looks like they have another cube with them this time, trying to swing it back again once they make their way around their alliance partners, Berkelium, who are tossing a cube into place. And meanwhile, on the Red Alliance, we have 3045. They're heading back from the substation with the cube of their own, where 9125, meanwhile, has been working on scoring. And with just over 40 seconds left to go, Blue Alliance has the lead, but it is a narrow one. We see Crescent Wing Robotics, they have that cube in place, trying to get it in a middle node, and if they do, it could be enough for them to make up that deficit. Red Alliance, however, not to be outdone, pushing more of those game pieces into place. Looks like they are racking up those links as they go. And there's 20 seconds left, 66-19, Gravitex, they are already up on the charging station for Blue, and for the time being, they have it level. 13 seconds to go, we see 9006 and 9125 trying to make it up onto that charging station. It looks like they do just manage to get it up for a moment, tipping it back down. However, it looks like they do manage to get it level though, and the Blue Alliance answers with 2 engaged of their own. A score of 115-88, and the Blue Alliance taking both additional ranking points as well, coming away from that match with 4 ranking points.